All right, so your essential question for today is, how do I use bar models to solve multiplicative comparisons? And we've talked about multiplicative comparisons. And we know that multiplicative comparisons are when we use multiplication to compare 2 or more items. So sometimes you're doing 3 items or 4 items, but right now we're just going to stick with 2. Now, this week what we've been doing is trying to add another step to our word problems. So the next step that we're adding is making it a multi-step word problem. So we're trying to learn how to make sure we can set up our bar models, and we're also making sure that when there's another step added that we continue and do all the steps to solve the problem. Okay? Thumbs up if you're with me. If I ask thumbs up, your thumb should be right there. Miss Atia, are you with me? Thumbs up then, honey. Great. All right, so the first step we're going to do is read our word problem. So, those at home, I want to see you mouthing it. I can hear you in my ear, but I don't want you to all come in at once. Everybody in my classroom and in Miss Todd's classroom, we're expecting you to say these out loud. Let's go. A yellow flag costs $9, and a pink flag costs 4 times more than that. What is the total cost of both flags? I'm looking for important information. I want somebody from Miss Todd's class to give me important information and somebody from my class. So tell me something important from my class first. Loud and proud.
A yellow flag costs $9.
I know the cost of the yellow flag. I know that the yellow flag costs $9. So I can put yellow flag, and I can write the word cost, but if that's how much it costs, then I could actually put yellow flag equals $9. Something else that I know, Miss Todd, from your class. Absolutely. I love how loud you are too. The pink flag cost 4 times more than that. What is that, Victoria? What is that? If it costs 4 times more than that, what is that? Love it. Were you going to say the same thing, Gladys? Way to go. So we've got a yellow flag that costs $9 and a pink flag that costs 4 times more than that. So the pink flag costs, but if it costs that, then it equals 4 times more than the yellow flag. If you are in my classroom, your pencil better be moving to get all of this down. If you are at home, I want the same. If I'm writing it, you should be writing it. Perfect. So we've got a yellow flag costs $9 and a pink flag costs 4 times more than that. And we determined that that was a yellow flag. Now, since I know how much the yellow flag costs, I can actually underline that yellow flag. And how much does the yellow flag cost? We already know that. How much does the yellow flag cost, Jules? If you're in my classroom, put it on your whiteboard. Absolutely. I'm looking for whiteboards. How much does my yellow flag cost? And when I say my class, I also mean Todd's class, Miss Todd's class as well. Yes, absolutely. The dollar sign goes in front of the 9. My yellow flag costs $9. So I have my important information written out, but when I write out my important information and I think about it, I can easily see now how I'm getting a multiplication sentence. I'm getting some numbers to fill in to figure out what everything equals. Yes, yes, sir, Dalton. I see your hand. Later. Bye. All right, next. So we've got our yellow flag and our pink flag written down. Now we need to read our question and restate it. Those of you in my classroom, what is the total cost of both flags? Those in Miss Todd's classroom, start restating it on your whiteboard. Those of you at home, I want to see it on your paper. Let's restate that. What is the total cost of both flags? This is your think time. How are you going to restate that? Whiteboard, sir. You should be writing down my restated question. How can we restate this? Help me out. Let me turn on my volume over here so you can be heard. Go ahead, Miss Gladys.
Both yellow and pink flag cost blank altogether.
All right, so both yellow and pink flags cost blank all together. Love it. All right, so you have your important information. You have your sentence that we are trying to solve for. So we know that we are putting the yellow and the pink flags together. If you watched my video, part 3, yesterday, then you'll know a word whenever we put things together. What's that word when we put things together? I see some hands up. Kaden, this is not a time to play, sir. Thank you. Go ahead.
All together.
We got all together. What's another word that we could use other than all together?
Add.
We can't just throw the word add there. We can't say both yellow and pink flags cost blank add.
Together.
What you got, Miss Atia? Combined. We're looking for combined. So you could say all together, or you could put another word, which is combined. All right, my friends. Now it's time to start making our bar model, because that's what we're working on this week, is our bar models. So you need to ask yourself which bar is going to be greater. That's what I want to know on your whiteboard. Which one's going to cost more? Which one's going to have the longest bar? You have to think about this. I almost heard them, Miss Todd. They were almost loud enough. Which one's going to be bigger? The pink flag, absolutely. So we've got the yellow flag or the pink flag, and we know that the pink flag is 4 times more than that which was the yellow flag. So our pink flag is going to be our greatest bar or our biggest bar. All right. Do we know the cost of the pink flag? And I don't mean, can you figure it out in your head real fast and tell me? I'm just saying, do we know from the word problem the cost of the pink flag? No, we do not. So I'm going to change colors. Hang on. We do not know the total cost of the pink flag, but I know it's going to be the biggest. So the pink flag equals something. Okay, I'm starting my bar model now. I know that the pink flag is how many times greater than the yellow flag? How many times greater, Jason?
4.
4 times. So because the pink flag is going to be 4 times greater, I'm going to take that bar model and I'm going to cut it into 4 sections. Because this is 1 times, this is 2 times, this is 3 times, and this is 4 times. So it's going to be 4 times greater. Okay? Next, I've got my yellow flag. Do I know how much my yellow flag costs?
Yes.
Show me with your fingers. Those of you at home, you've got that many fingers. Show me. Absolutely. $9. So my yellow flag is $9. So when I make my bar model, I know that this is $9 and that this is 4 times greater. So what does this little section equal? Carly, what's this little section equal? $9. Okay? What about the next section? Yes, ma'am. $9. Miss Todd, I bet everybody in your class could tell you what the next section and the last section cost. Give me a thumbs up if they could. Perfect. $9 and $9. You guys are absolutely right. So now I know, and I have my bar model to prove it, I know that the pink flag is 1 times, this is what, so a couple of you guys were making mistakes yesterday in class. Whenever you're making your bar model, 1 times means that they're the same at the same spot. So this is 1 times, then this is 2 times, then this is 3 times, and this is 4 times. Because 4 times whatever this number is going to equal how long the bar is. What is 4 times 9? What is 4 times 9? Whiteboards. Put it on your whiteboards and show your teacher. Those of you that are on the camera, put it on your whiteboard and show me. Love it. Put your $sign in the front. Close, not quite. $sign, girlfriend. It is not 48, and I would like for you to put it on your whiteboard. Perfect. 4 times 9 is 36. And I have to have the $sign because I'm talking about dollars here, so it's $36 is what I've got going on. So my pink flag is $36. My yellow flag is $9. Is my answer 36?
No.
If you're at home and you think so, nod your head yes. If you're in my classroom, if you think so, nod your head yes. If you don't think so, nod your head, not nod. What's this called? Back and forth. Move your head back and forth. Shake it. That's the word I'm looking for. Shake your head back and forth. All right. No, that's not my answer. Because my question was, what is the total cost of both flags? Now I'm going to show you something that you're going to see in math whenever you see a bar model and you're combining things. If you're combining things and you're using a bar model, make sure you guys can still see me on the screen. Good. You're going to put something called a bracket. It looks kind of like that. Let me get a little closer with my camera. Trying to see if you can see. There you go. You see this little bracket? This means we're combining whatever this is with whatever that is. So I'm combining this total with this total. If I combine the cost of the yellow flag with the cost of the pink flag, what is my total combined amount for the flags, for both flags? Show me on your whiteboard. I'd check one more time, buddy. Thank you, Jules. Look one more time, young lady. Thank you. Can I get a $sign? Get closer, Atia. Yes, $sign, girlfriend, $sign. Don't forget it. Love it. $45. My combined total would be $45. So both the yellow and the pink flags cost what? $45. Miss Todd, let me know if your class is good to go. If there are any questions, we're here to answer them. We're good to go. All right, Miss Todd's class is ready to rock and roll. How about my class? Perfect.